Hello students! Welcome to Ma'am Chi's Ag-Amazing Corner, our virtual classroom in Science 10. In today's lesson, we will be discussing about the distribution of earthquake, volcanoes, and mountain ranges. You have learned from your past science lessons that Philippines is a part of the Pacific Ring of Fire. This means that our country and other places located at the Ring of Fire experience earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and other tectonic activities. How are volcanoes, mountains, and other geologic features formed? Let's study first the Earth's lithospheric part. The Earth's lithosphere consists of layers, the crust and the upper part of the mantle. The crust is made up of a variety of solid rocks like sedimentary, metamorphic, and igneous. There are two kinds of crust, the oceanic crust and the continental crust. What are their differences? Here are the differences between the two. The oceanic crust is denser, made mostly of basalt. The thickness is 5 to 10 kilometers and mostly composed of younger or newer rocks. The continental crust, however, is less dense, made mostly of granite rocks. The thickness is 30 to 50 kilometers and consists mostly of older rocks. For their similarities, they are both made of rocks. They are solid and make up the tectonic plates and part of the lithosphere. According to the plate tectonics model, the entire lithosphere of the Earth is broken into numerous segments called plates. And these plates are either the primary or the secondary plates. The map shows the outer shell or layer of the Earth. The lithosphere is broken up into tectonic plates that are gradually moving. The broad lines represent the plate boundaries. The primary tectonic plates are the Eurasian, North American, African, South American, Antarctic, Pacific, and Australian plates. The secondary plates are the Philippine Sea, Juan de Fuca, Caribbean, Arabian, Cocos, Nazca, and Scotia plates. What do you think our scientists use as basis in marking the plate boundaries? Let's examine the following maps. Figure 1 shows the distribution of major earthquakes or epicenters. Figure 2 shows the distribution of major active volcanoes. Figure 3 shows the distribution of major mountain belts of the world. And Figure 4 shows the major plate tectonics. Now let's put this map all together. Do you notice anything? Can you tell now the basis of our scientists in marking the plate boundaries? The regions of the Earth where most of the earthquakes originated or some mountains and volcanoes were formed mark the boundaries of each lithospheric plate. Let us summarize today's lesson. Number 1. Plates are large pieces of the upper few hundred kilometers of Earth that move as a single unit as it floats above the mantle. Number 2. The plates are in constant motion, and as they interact along the margins, important geologic activities take place like the formation of mountain belts, earthquake, and volcanoes. That ends our lesson for today. I hope you have learned something meaningful. Thank you and see you next week. Bye!